Faith and Elise in their costumes.
Mom, I don't have my wig on.
She don't have her wig on.
Makeup!
You see Faith? She's a pumpkin. Faith, come here.
I'm a Spectra.
She's a Monster High girl. And she dropped her glasses. Faith, look at Faith though. She is a pumpkin.
Your underwear is fine. Look at me.
You don't have your wig on.
Hey everybody, I'm filming now. Jason, I'm gonna get you on camera. I'm getting your shoes. There's Face, he's the pumpkin. Pumpkin face. No, I'm a Spectra. Literally? Okay. Pumpkin face. Faith, come do the photo shoot. Okay. And do the photo shoot. Faith. I'll hold her. Here. I am over here.
There's Faith, the pumpkin. The pumpkin dog.
Get a good walking face. Bad photo shoot.
My baby Faith.
There's the slug bug.
There's the slug bug.